I wanted to share my new favorite pancake recipe. This is a maintenance meal idea. However, it can be slightly modified to fit in the 11-day protocol, and I'll explain how to do that at the end of this video. In my other meal idea videos, I showed you how to make pan shakes. So basically you're using the shakes to make pancakes, but I think that the incubated shakes are best when just consumed soon after you incubate it. Cooking your shakes with eggs on a pan is great, but for optimal nutrition and benefits, I recommend drinking your incubated shakes and not cooking them. These pancakes have minimal ingredients and are practically almost carb-free, just depending on what kind of toppings you're gonna use. I like to top mine with lots of butter. Of course, gotta have the butter and a little bit of honey, raw honey. The other way I like to eat it is topping it with my buttercream frosting, which is basically just the Isopro, not the Isoline Pro, but the plain vanilla Isopro shake mixed with butter, and I put a little splash of water just to get the consistency right, but I love that on my pancakes. Tastes like I'm eating birthday cake. The last way I like to eat it is with a few mashed up strawberries and some coconut whipped cream. Now I'll go ahead and walk you through how I make these pancakes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make a very large batch, and I recommend making a large batch because they will last about a week, and especially if you're doing this with someone else, then you'll have plenty of pancakes to last you for the week, and they're just great to have on hand. If you're going to get all the ingredients out and make the mess, then why not just make one big batch of pancakes? Okay, so I'm using 2 dozen eggs in this recipe. You'll need a couple bags of pork rinds, 2 dozen eggs, beef gelatin powder, cinnamon, coconut palm sugar, vanilla, of course butter, and coconut cream. So basically you're going to use the cream from a canned coconut milk. You're just going to scoop off the cream out of the canned coconut milk.